Hello, this is Matvey, and I decided to record a few videos how to do specific things in Grafana OnCall, quick tutorials, and this one is about how to set up Telegram for open source Grafana OnCall. Let's start. Here's my fresh local installed Grafana OnCall inside Grafana. I just followed steps in GitHub README to launch it locally in Docker. As you see, no alerts processed yet, no Telegram connected, no Slack connected, absolutely fresh. And let's start with Telegram. First thing I need to do is to set up environmental variables. I go here, and in Grafana OnCall, you could set up environmental variables in a classical way. Just set them for engine pod or engine container, but also it's possible to override them in UI. And I'm interested in those two, Telegram token and Telegram webhook host. I need to get Telegram token from Telegram bot called botfather. Let's go there. I already created one, and here is my token. I will use it here. In order to set up, I just hover and this small button shows up here. And second environmental variable I need to set up is Telegram webhook host. But before I get there, I need to change one important setting in my bot here. I check my bot settings, group privacy, and turn it off. It's very important because otherwise bot will not be able to read messages from channels. It needs it to read verification keys. Second environmental variable, Telegram webhook host. This is a little bit tricky because OnCall engine should be available from the outer world through HTTPS. It all described here. And since I launch Grafana OnCall locally, it's not visible from the internet. So I use ngrok to expose my 8080 port to outside. And it gave me this URL. Let's check if my engine will respond there. Yep, this OK is from my engine. Cool. Oh wow, it says bad webhook. Yeah, right, I didn't put it here yet. So let's put it here. Wait a little bit, it checked the connection with Telegram, and now I see a green mark, I could proceed. I go to ChatOps, Telegram, and this part of UI showed up. Now I need to follow a few steps. First one is to open Telegram, create a new private channel, and enable sign messages. I go here, I also already created private channel. I go to settings and enable sign messages. Create a discussion group. Click done, back. I create a discussion group. I need to connect channel and discussion group. You'll see why do we need it later. I go to channel, settings, and here I connected my group as discussion group for this channel. Now I need to go to the bot and say hi. Hello. Yep, it responded. That's a good sign. That means that when Telegram sends something to this URL, this payload goes to my local engine, and my local engine is able to respond. Nice. Now I go back and I need to add the bot to my channel. Add the bot to my channel first. So I go here, I go to administrators, here it is. It should be able to publish messages. Save. Going back. Also, I need to add bot to discussion group. I added it here. Going back again. And finally, I need to send this key to the channel. Let's wait a little bit. Cool, I see. If you don't see this message, there may be something wrong with connectivity between Telegram and your engine, or it's possible that you skipped some step. Please be really careful, because if you skip some step, it will be just silent. But I can just close this window and I see that my channel now is available to receive alerts from OnCall. But also, before doing this, I would like to connect my personal account, so OnCall will be able to ping me in this channel or in this group. So I go to users, view my account, Telegram connection, and I open the bot. And I send to this bot this code. Done. Now my personal account in Telegram is linked to my OnCall account, and everything ready to set up escalation chains and integrations. I will create a basic integration with current Grafana alerting. So Grafana OnCall created connection point in alerting of this Grafana, and all alerts from there will go to my OnCall. I'll create new escalation chain to Telegram and to the simplest one. And here I see previously unavailable option to publish messages to Telegram, and I can choose myself. And also in my profile, in my personal notification chains, how do I want to be notified? I want to be mentioned in Telegram, and if I didn't respond, for example, 4 or 5 minutes, let's also mention me in Telegram second time, just in case. Going back to integrations, checking everything one more time and sending them alert. And I see it in my Telegram. Let's zoom in a little bit. Here it is. I see this alert in the channel, and I see that there are 2 comments in the discussion group. What are those comments about? This is escalation chain. So what happened? Useful information about alert log, and buttons for me to acknowledge or resolve. I'll open in the web UI. As you see, it's firing, and I will acknowledge. And the status here is updated now. And if in the web I will unacknowledge, in Slack it will be also unacknowledged. Oh, sorry, in Telegram it will be also unacknowledged. And here I could resolve. And that's it. It was a quick demo. Hope you liked it. Please let me know in comments in Slack community if you would like more and what are the topics you are curious about to know. Thank you. See you.